In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make signature bigger in Adobe Sign. Whether you're signing a one-off agreement or preparing a packet for others, there are a few simple ways to control how large your signature appears, so it's clear, professional, and easy to read. First, if you've already placed your signature, you can resize it right on the page. Click the signature so it's selected. You'll see blue handles or small circles appear around it. Grab a corner handle and drag outward to make the signature larger. Dragging from a corner keeps the proportions looking natural. If the placement shifts, just move the signature to the exact spot you want by clicking and dragging it. In Adobe's Fill and Sign tools, this works the same way. Hover over the signature, use the corner control, and adjust until the size feels right. If you're the person sending the document and want the signature to come in bigger by default, make the signature field itself larger while preparing the file. Open the document in Preview and add fields. Click the signature field to select it, then drag the edges of the field to expand the box. When you save and send the document, the signer's signature will automatically scale to fit that field, so a larger box produces a larger signature without any extra effort from the recipient. If your signature still looks small or a bit thin, upload a higher resolution signature image. Click the signature field, choose Upload Image, and select a larger version of your signature. A bigger, cleaner source image gives Adobe Sign more detail to scale, which helps it render crisply at larger sizes. Adobe recommends an image around 600 pixels wide and 60 pixels tall, so it displays properly within the signature field. A couple of important reminders as you work. Once a document is signed and finalized, the signature can't be edited or resized. Make any size changes before you complete the signing process. Take a moment to confirm the signature is legible and not crowding nearby text, and use the corner handles to keep it proportional rather than stretched. That's it. Resize after placing it. Enlarge the signature field when preparing a document, or upload a higher resolution image. Use the approach that matches where you are in the workflow, and you'll get a clear, properly sized signature every time. Aim for a size that's readable at a glance, but doesn't overpower the page. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.